This is Sam. Sam's a woodworker and does things with wood. Sam's currently working with pallets. This is Sam.
Hi guys.
So Sam, what's your favorite color?
My favorite color is red.
No way, I'm wearing red.
I know.
Isn't that crazy? How big of a fan of milk are you?
I'm not a fan of milk at all.
So what were you building right there?
I was building a blanket ladder.
What?
Yeah, it's a ladder that holds blankets.
What?
Pinterest. Girls have crazy ideas. I built them.
If you ever need something built via Pinterest, Sam's
I'm
the
the guy.
man. So Sam, when did you start woodworking?
About a year ago, actually, today.
Tell me the events of leading forward to that.
We were moving and my girlfriend needed a new coffee table and I said I'd build her one and it escalated from there.
If you build it, coffee will come. No, that's not how that works.
No.
So what kind of things do you build?
Build anything that involves wood. Right now I'm in
Like
coffee-
bridges and castles and
Maybe not
forts
anything.
and tree houses?
One day.
Don't tempt me with a good
One
time.
day we can help.
One day.
One day.
Life goal.
Yes.
Treehouse. This guy.
Yep.
So Sam, what kind of things do you build?
I build anything. Built in coffee tables, dining tables. I built this out of pallets.
No way.
Yeah.
This thing?
Yep.
This is fantastic. So what about woodworking gets your juices flowing?
The fact that I can be creative, I can build something that comes to my mind and put it out there in the world. I can kind of have freedom to do what I want.
Yeah, making the imaginary the physical.
Yeah.
Awesome. Rock and roll. If people want to see more of your creations, where should they go?
They should go on to my Facebook page, Woodworking by Sam. They can go on my Twitter. They can go on my Instagram. They can go on my normal Facebook. I'm out there. Find me.
He is on the line.
On the line.
Whoop, whoop. If you are interested in anything woodworking related in the Fresno, California area, make sure you email this guy right here.
Woodworking by Sam.